Okay, guys, so this is the finished mix, and let me tell you, when I first mixed it together, I was like, oh my god, this I think is the ugliest mix I've ever made in my life. But because I think the green fine glitter that I put mixed with the white, it made it look kind of muddy. But when I did the swatch, here it is. I think it's so pretty. My camera won't focus. I need to get a new camera. It's terrible. I'm sorry, guys. But yes, this is the mix. Let's see if I put this under. Can you see it better? And they're so holographic. So, there you see it. It's really pretty, actually. This is on a clear tip. So yeah, that's the mix. And I'm going to give some away. So if you want to win a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, whatever I put in there. Minimum 1 teaspoon. So just comment down below, enter me, and must be a subscriber, 18 years or older, USA only. Yeah, I think that's it. Just comment, enter me in your comment, okay? And I will leave this open for 1 week from today. So today is Sunday, so it will close next Sunday, which is, I believe, the 14th. I'll have the date in the description box. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.